Hi, Kara Sheftel with BDS, and one of the questions I'm often asked is what type of ink lasts the longest? And here's the deal. It's not ink at all. You're looking for toner. The reason is that ink has to draft to keep the heads wet on a regular basis. So whether you're printing or not, it's coming down. And so that increases your cost per page because all of that ink has to get paid for, and maybe you're getting fewer pages for it. The other thing is that you really want toner because toner will last for a very long time. So if you stop printing for a while, you still have toner to do that. It can also be tracked in terms of how much you have left. So if you're doing a big job, you'll understand whether or not you have to have toner on hand, which will create fewer interruptions in your print. I do think that overall there are some places for ink where it makes sense, sometimes wide format. The HP page-wise are made to be much better with ink, but if it's not one of those and you're looking for a consumer-based product, spend a little more upfront and go with toner rather than ink, and you will pay less over time. For all things print, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com or like and follow this channel. And of course, we sell toner-based printers.